So if you want to watch this video in Hindi, just click on the I button. So hey guys, I am Gautam, and in this video I will be talking about a very interesting package that I am going to provide you. So you know that I am providing a lot of study materials, a lot of mock test series to you from the last 2 years, and a lot of students got some good ranks in IITs also. Okay, so now I have come to you to provide you a lot of offers, a lot of options in one package. Okay, that is going to be very interesting. So I will be dividing this video into 6 parts. In the first part we will be talking about what about IIT JAM. Then we will be talking about how can I help you. In the third part I will tell you what kind of things I will provide you. In the fourth part I will be talking about some prizes that you are going to get if you achieve all these achievements. Fifth, what will be the conditions. Sixth, what are the ways, what will be the procedure to get into these courses. So one by one I will be talking about all these 6 courses, 6 parts. First, let me come to the first point, that is about what about IIT JAM. So IIT JAM is a very syllabus specific examination. So you know that for a particular syllabus, for a particular subject we have a particular syllabus, and to crack that particular examination strictly we have to follow the corresponding syllabus. So I am Gautam and I am working on my YouTube channel since 2018. In the last 2 years I have got a lot of experience on that. Okay, I have got the flavor of the question patterns, I have got the flavor of the mock everything about the from where you can face a lot of questions. And the most important thing is you need to know that what you have to read and what you have to ignore. That I have told you again and again, okay, from my previous videos also. So it's very important to know in which topics you need to focus and in which topic you don't need to that much focus. Okay, you don't need to focus that much and you just need the basic concept. So that's very important to know, and that's why I came to you to provide these facilities so that you can crack all the examination, you can crack the whole examination very efficiently and with a very user-friendly experience. So how can I help you? The simple answer of this question is that I know about the examination. Since I am working on this examination, I am providing students the study materials and the mock test series from the last 2 years. So I know about the examinations and I did crack the examinations by self-study. Okay, so I do have that much confidence that I can teach you along with that what are the important topics, what are not the important topics. Done. So you can watch those videos. For example, click on the I button and see that in JAM 2020 Chemistry, what are the questions that directly came from my material. So you can check the videos. I have shown you the full solution of IIT JAM Chemistry 2020 examination, and I have already shown you that what are the questions that directly came from my materials, and also of course a lot of other questions came from my materials but not directly, indirectly, because IIT JAM is a conceptual IIT JAM examination is a concept based examination. You need to clear your concept before you go to the exam hall, right? So be focused on that. Now if you want to see that what kind of videos, what kind of lectures I will be providing you, that is important. That is, you can watch my YouTube channel and click on the I button and see that this kind of video, the depth explanation video you can have from my channel. Okay, because I believe that if you want to clear a concept, you have to go to the deep, not on the surface. Okay, that's why you need to focus on the depth knowledge, right? Now what kind of things I will provide you, what are the options you will get. The first option will be the video lectures. So I will be uploading one video every day. Okay, one video every day, and I will take only 1 week to complete one particular and full chapters, right? And that's why I think it would be very better option for you that of course you can enroll yourself in that course, so that in every week you can finish one chapter. Because if you are reading yourself, then most of the cases you can check yourself that most of the cases you can't finish the whole chapter within 1 week. That's the problem. Okay, I will be covering all the lectures within 1 week for small chapters or medium chapters. But for vast chapters, for example, there are 2-3 chapters in exam. For example, basic organic, second chapter of organic chemistry study material, organic reaction mechanism and synthetic application. So that chapter, and the second is coordination chemistry. So these 2 chapters will take 2 weeks to finish. Otherwise, all the chapters will take only 1 week to finish, right? So for those, I will be taking 2 weeks. And in every week, whenever I will finish the chapter, okay, and along with that, remember one thing, you will get all the video lectures, and the most important thing is all the videos can be, you can see, check all those videos, you can watch all those videos in offline mode in the application, right? You can watch the video in the offline mode in the application. So you don't need to use a lot of data, okay? Because every morning, I will suggest you, every morning just raise up and just download the video, and again you can see, you can watch the video whenever you want. Okay, there is no such internet connection. If you have some you are in from rural area, then it will take to download the video, but you can check the video anytime if you download the video in offline mode, right? Second thing is about that, whenever I will finish one chapter, I will be providing you, suppose today I am uploading a video, right? So after the video uploading, I will be providing you the class notes. That means what are the slides that I have taught right now in the video. Along with that, I will be providing you the corresponding study material, right? Each and every video will be for 1 hour or 1.5 hour. So give me 1 hour or 1.5 hour in a day, and it will be helpful, and I will make you crack the examination, right? So next topic, next thing is the mock test. That is very important. So after reading one chapter, every week, whenever we will finish a chapter, every week Sunday, I will be taking a mock test. I will be taking a examination on my application, right? So I will be talking about the app later on, but just listen. And in that application, you will face MCQ questions, MSQ questions, and NAT type questions. And the examination font will be the same as the IIT JAM Chemistry examination. So that, I think that kind of facility will help you a lot. And you will also have the calculator facility in the examination, right? So now mock test examination is done, and remember one thing, this mock test examination is very important in terms of prizes. Okay, so just keep watching, you will have the information, right? So then what I will provide you? I will provide you the full solution of those examinations. Okay, I will provide you the full solution of the examination after once the examination is over. Automatically you will have the full solutions, right? Then coming to previous year question papers. So to know our exam, if you want to understand our examination, then you have to solve the previous year question papers. So once a chapter is complete within 1 week, every Sunday I will be uploading a complete video on that chapter, and on that chapter what are the questions that came in the last 15 or 10 years. Okay, I will be uploading all the questions along with their video solution. Not only that, you will get, because every time you don't want to see the video, right? So along with that, what I will do, I will upload the PDF file of the full solutions. Okay, so that, I think that will help you a lot. You don't need to watch the video every time. Just download the PDF file in the application, and just go through all those aspects, go through all those things, right? So previous year question papers solution is done. Next, coming to live doubt clearance session. So in the live doubt clearance session, it's very important, right? So every time what happens, when I am live, you will just type something, okay? But here in this case, you can ask your queries by raising your hand and asking through your voice. And if I am allowing, then someone else can answer them through their voice, right? So that will be very interesting. Okay, not only typing something, and because by typing you can't say everything, you can't express your issue, you can't express your problem, and if I type again, then it's not fully done, right? So every time it will be very helpful, and the live session will be conducted each once a week or as per your requirement. Done. And finally, we will be joined together in a WhatsApp like group. That is not WhatsApp group, that group is in my application. Same WhatsApp group, but not in WhatsApp. So all the facilities, all 7 facilities, I have told you that all the options, all the facilities will be present in one application, all in one application, Easy Chemix application. So download the Easy Chemix application from the description. But listen first, I have a lot of things to express. Okay, lot of things to let you know. The prizes money. Okay, what kind of prizes you will have? So there will be two types of pricing. First prices is that suppose every week you are the top of the mock test examination, you will get 100 rupees for that every week. But if you are the topper of the month, that means every month you have qualified the examination, you become topper in those mock tests maximum times, then you will get 1000 rupees. That means if you every time if you are topper, then you can get 1400 per month. That's quite amazing. Okay. And the second thing is about the prizes after you crack the examination. Then if you can go to IIT Bangalore or IIT Bombay, if you go in these two institutes, you will get 3 times the money back. The money you are paying, you will get 3 times money back if you are going to IIT Bombay or IIT Bangalore. Along with that, after you crack the examination, once you get admitted in that institute, I will personally go to the institute and meet you, and I will give you a party. Along with that, I will take an exclusive interview. Okay, so I think that would be very, very helpful, right? So now let me talk about second option. If you secure your rank less than 100 or 100, then you will get 100% money back, and along with that, other facilities like I will go to your institute, I will go to your IIT, and I will take your exclusive interview, and I will give you a party. Done. Third, if you get any IIT, then what you will get? You can meet me. I will personally go to that corresponding IIT when you will take the admission. Then I will meet you, I will give you the party, and we will take the exclusive interview. Okay, so these are the prizes that you can have week-wise, every week, or after the session, right? So I think that you can ask one thing here, that why I am providing this. That can be two reasons. So first thing, you can think that I am making you greedy. Okay, not that is, because you know that this is human nature. Suppose you are getting a prize after you do a good job. Okay, because every week whenever you are reading, so if you are getting some prizes, then you will feel good. Okay, and from biology direction, your body will have some kinds of hormones that will make you feel good. So that's why I am giving you that facility, so that every week you get that prizes, and you can focus on your study more and more. That generally occurs. Done. And finally, let me tell you that what will be the conditions. Okay, the condition will be you have to focus on your study first, and you have to interact within the group. You have to answer the questions, you have to ask your queries, nothing else. There is nothing other conditions like what you need to do, what you do. No, you just have to focus. And if you are not interacting, if you are not asking, if you are not reading, you are not appearing in the mock test examination, then I will remove you from the group. Okay, so be serious about that. If you are coming, then be prepared that you will be preparing for the IIT JAM examination, right? Second, and the last important thing is how to join the group. That's most important question, and that is quite easy. Download the application. You will get the link in the description below, the top link. Download the link, do register, and after registering, go to store. Just select your courses from English or Hindi, whatever you want. Okay, just select the course carefully, English or Hindi. Okay, but you can't change once you once you get into that. Okay, once you are enrolling in that course. Okay, once you have enrolled in that course, so just take care of that. Once you get into the course, just buy the course, and you will be in that course, and you will be automatically adding in the group where a lot of students are already present. Already 33 to 34 members in total, Hindi and English. 33 to 34 students are there. So you can be a family. You can be a family member of us, where I will be providing you daily video lectures, daily assignments, daily mock study materials, and along with that daily class notes. Okay, and along with the 24/7 contact facility with me in the group, right? Or other facilities I have already told you. So there is a complete package for you in one application. Okay, in one application, you don't need to go here and there to get all these things, right? And also I have those experiences which can help you a lot. So just come, we will meet you after the courses once you get enrolled in the course, right? So whatever, just be there.